Hi, and welcome to the Total Super Yacht Hours of Rest phone app tutorial. To get started, connect your phone to the correct yacht by using the token you were sent in the welcome email. Once connected, enter your Total Super Yacht credentials to log in to the phone app. You will stay logged in to the app on your phone until you manually log out. After you log in, the first page you will see is the calendar page, where you can select the date and mark it either as a rest day, a work day, or use the profile day option to add the work hours from a previously created workday profile. To mark the date as a rest day, simply tap on the date, then on the rest day button. The date color will change to blue, indicating a rest day, and the tallies will be changed accordingly. To add the day's work hours from a previously entered work profile, tap the Work Profile Day button. Then select the option that you have previously created. The calendar date color will change and the tallies will update accordingly. To mark a date as a work day, tap on the Workday button. This will open the Hours selection page. Enter the hours you worked by tapping on the hours cells and scroll up or down. If you make a mistake, scroll up to remove the unwanted selections. You can also tap on the individual cells to select or deselect them. Based on the international guidelines for the hours of rest and work, we have set limits that will automatically highlight when those conditions are exceeded. The guidelines can be found by tapping on the left side of the Hours selection page. When you are finished entering your work hours, tap on the Save button to save the details to your phone. When you are ready to save the hours of rest to the server, tap the Save button on the calendar page. At the end of each month, submit the hours of rest so the onboard administrator can review and confirm them. When saving or submitting, you will be asked to enter the reasons why you exceeded the hours of rest limits. If there are more than 2 exceeded days, swipe left to see the next fields. Once you have finished entering the reasons for each exceeded day, click Save. To create a work profile, first select the hours you want to save. Then tap on the Work Profile button. Enter the profile name, then tap Save. The work profile name will then be saved to the list. 5 work profiles can be created for each user. Once complete, tap the Save button here to save the selected hours for that day. Another great time saver is the Copy button. Tapping on the Copy button will allow you to copy a previously created workday profile to multiple dates. Just select the workday profile, then select the From and To dates. Once finished, tap on the Copy Records button. The calendar dates and monthly tallies will be updated accordingly. Prior to submitting the month's hours of rest, you can edit any record by simply tapping on the date and adjusting the selected cells. Tapping on Save will update the records to the calendar. If the onboard admin finds an error in what you have submitted, they can return the hours of rest to you. If this happens, you will see this on-screen message. Simply correct the errors and then submit the hours of rest again. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a demonstration, please contact support@superyachtos.com.